My good peoples of Biafra, how are we today? I hope that everything is going well with you. And I want to use this opportunity. Today is 4th of September 2025. I want to use this medium to let Biafrans to understand the ongoing investigation of those who are behind the insecurity in the southeast, in Igbo land. You know, what it surprises me that even the Amnesty International, after their thorough investigation, they find out that the insecurity in the land of Biafra, in Igbo land, even in Nigeria at large, is caused by Nigerian securities, because they are the one killing Nigerians. They are the one killing Igbos. They are the one killing IPOB. They are the one killing the agitators, Biafra agitators. After the whole investigation from the International Amnesty, what did they do? Because of the oil in the land of Biafra, because of the gas in the land of Biafra, because of the mineral resources that Chukwokika Abiyama used to bless the land of Igbos, because of those mineral resources, they buried the truth. They buried down justice. Does it mean that the international community, even Finland, does it mean that the Finland didn't know that the Nigerian terrorist governments are responsible of the insecurity, of killings, of human harvesting, the cannibals? Even Finland, you knew that Nigeria is so corrupt, but because of our mineral resources, you betrayed the spirit of freedom. And Biafrans and Biafra Defense Forces all over is hereby rejected the Finland court ruling over our Simeon Ekpa. Simeon Ekpa is never a terrorist, and he has never violated any international law. Everything that the Simeon Ekpa did is according to the international law. Why don't the international leaders who knows the law, why can't they come out and condemn the Finnish courts just because of the mineral resources? The mineral resources that Chukwokika Abiyama gave to us, that is the reason why Finland imprisoned the Prime Minister, who is also a Finland citizen. Let me ask the Igbos that is in Finland that are jubilating that their own brother has been imprisoned in Finland. Let me ask those in America, those Igbos in America, those Igbos in Japan, those Igbos in all over the world, even the IPOBs all over the world that are jubilating over the court ruling against Simeon Ekpa. Listen, let me tell you, a freedom fighter remains a freedom fighter, and there are three things that faces any freedom fighter. One is death, two is prison, and three is exile. So the court ruling against Simeon Ekpa, I am here to address Biafrans and the consensus ones, even to address the Finland, that their court ruling against Simeon Ekpa for 6 years imprisonment can never stop the Biafran struggle, can never stop the agitating of Biafra, can never stop Biafra Defense Forces, can never stop. Even this ruling now have given the man on the ground more strength, more morale to go ahead to fight for our rights. We are only fighting for our rights. For those who are labeling us a terrorist or a criminal or a kidnapper, they are the ones that are killing our people, kidnapping our people, and harvesting the organs of our people. Don't worry, I am coming with updates. My update is for the people of Biafra to understand what is currently going on in Olo, Ihitenansa, Lilu, and Osumohu. Ebube Ago security killing themselves in Ihitenansa. And I want to use this opportunity, this medium, to challenge the DOS, to challenge the controllers of this Ebubago killing squad. I am here to challenge the whole post of them to come out on the public to tell their friends how his 5 security personnel, Ebubago security personnel from Ililu was gunned down by Ebubago security of Ihitenansa. I am coming with evidence. There's a video I'm about to play. I will show you the video. There is 2 videos I want to show you. The first one is the Ebubago chief priest at Lili. Nde Lili gara kpọbata all the whole criminals, recruit all the whole bandits in the land of the Lilu, together with the tiger base that they mixed up with. Together with the DSS they mixed up with it. Together with the Fulanis in military uniform they mixed up with. They are preparing on how to form a group in order to launch a war against the Biafra Defense Forces in that axis. One of the Ebubago chief priests currently working, doing charms for Ebubago. Etema asinande Ebubago anha agwogo anaghị egbu mmadụ. Watch this video. This one is exactly the men of defense forces captured this one alive as a proof for Biafrans to understand that ihe na-eme ha nọ ha n'okpuru. This is General Butoso, the triple general Butoso. It's not the problem of Osu. It's not the problem of Lilu. It's not the problem of Osmohu. It's not the problem of Olo states. He is not the problem of the entire Biafra land. But I want to show you those who are against you people. They are killing you. The Ebubago are killing you. Cutting your own pass. Selling them. Eating them. And some use human skull to do their charms. I will show you a video. And I will also show you a video of Onowu na Lilu. I will tell you about Onowu. And I want to also to challenge Ebe Kodike. I want to also to challenge Cash also TV. I want to use this opportunity to challenge Igwe Okigwe. I want to use this opportunity to challenge all those people that are on social media carrying a propaganda against the men on the ground, against those who volunteer themselves to fight for the freedom of their own people. Let me read this short script for you to understand what is actually going on. The Ebubago security shut down. Ebubago security happening live in Ihitenansa. and no Nigerian terrorist government is carrying the news. I will show you the video. And I am challenging the Ebubago Lilu to open up. Now, I want to start from reading this, that Ebubago security killing themselves in Hitanansa. Oh no, Nalilu, the Ebubago commander, shot dead with others at Hitanansa. 5 of Ebubago commander, 5 of Ebubago security terrorist personnel gunned down face to face with their own Ebubago, Lilu Ebubago command versus Iteransa Ebubago command. They are killing themselves, and Finland is not saying anything. And the Igbo leaders are not saying anything. And Hope of them is not saying anything. Musa, where are you? Why are you not saying anything? Ndi Okoko, Joe Okoko Mado, a fool at 40. I want to use this medium now to challenge all of you who are carrying propaganda against Major General the Yahoo. Listen, let me tell you. Major General the Yahoo, the triple general Igwe Putosa, General Owam, Ogwebune Putosa, Ochiaga Ochiwo, B44, and the other commanders that are working assiduously under the command and control of Triple General Igwe Putosa. These men are not your problem. Your problem is you following the propaganda of the enemies of Ndibo. Oh no, who from Lilu? Hey. Kedu ha? Kedu ndị a na-akarị as propaganda na gentle jiegbe gbagbuo criminals, those who are terrorizing, those criminals, the unable on social media, gentle emaru, you are stupid. So you love criminality. And now Ebubago have shut down 5 Igbo Ebubago personnel from Lilu, and social media are silent, and the bloggers are silent. Shame on you people. I will show you the video clip of Ono, the commander of Ebubago in Lilu, that was shot dead by Hitanansa Ebubago group squad. They thought that it was the men on the ground, it was the apostles' men that are passing, that it was the angels that are passing. They thought it was Major General the Yahoo is passing. They thought that it was a Triple General Igwe Putosa that is passing. They thought that it was men of armed forces of Biafra Liberation Forces are crossing. They opened fire against themselves, and they begin to slaughter themselves. Cash TV, I am challenging you to bring that update. I am challenging you to come live the same way you are coming live, propagating against the men on the ground. I want you to come live. I am challenging all of you that are on social media. I am challenging you. Come live and explain to Biafrans, to explain to Olo people, to explain to Hidanasa people, to explain to Lilu people, to explain to Osimohu people what is actually going on. How Ebubago are the one responsible of the killing of Biafrans. You think that Jerry Masi Simonekpa will stop the men on the ground to carry out their investigations over what is currently going on in the land of Biafra? No. Let me read it first before I show you the video. Ebubago commander squad opened fire on themselves, thinking that it was Biafra Defense Forces. That is how the Ono disgracefully joined his ancestors just because of Nigerian hatred to let Biafrans go. Hope Uzodimma and the Charles Soludo and the Peter Mba are busy recruiting Igbos to kill Igbos as Gumi, the notorious terrorist, the notorious Fulani terrorist squad instructed them, and shamefully the real Igbos blood are clapping and supporting the Igbo politicians to go ahead to kill their own and harvest their organs for supercell, for rich men and political consumption. Ebubatu security or any form of security that are controlled by Nigerian terrorist governments are hereby prohibited in the land of Biafra. And anywhere seen will be seriously dealt with. They are not, the Nigerian state governments, they are not for your own security. The Ebubagu are not for your own security or your protection, because they are all controlled by Fulani in power. They are there to kill and destroy you and take over your towns and your bushes and your villages. Ebubagu security outfits responsible for killing and harvesting of human organs for rituals. They were apprehended by the Biafra Defense Forces for Biafrans and others to see that who are killing Igbos using their parts for charms and the other rituals purposes. They are the kidnappers, kidnapping our citizens, and their sponsors are all silent. Ebe Kodike is silent. Iken Guruago is silent. Hope Uzodimma is silent. Christopher Musa is silent. My question is, why are Igbo all over the world are following the destructive propaganda against volunteer armies of Biafra who are facing the Fulani in military uniform face to face in combat, defending Biafra forest and bushes and territories, and you all join hand with enemies to Ndigbo to bring in terrorists in Nigerian army, police and others to invade your land, to take over Igbo region. The insecurity in Biafra land was caused by Igbo politicians. That is why they are killing Biafrans, burning down their houses and kidnapping them to Tiger Base in the name of sitting governors in Igbo land. Now, I will not waste much of your time. I want you to watch this video.
Hey, Lamaya. Can't feel I bunaka of my can't forget of him. A lady, Macan. Iji agwagwu. Iji agwagwu. Ka ndị gị la ha soro bịa? Ala ndị gị la ha so?
Mụ na aya ha. Vin wanje. Ndị otu m, ụmụ klaasị m.
Ndị klaasị gị? Ndị ebe a gị ibe gị? Ka gị la ha so? Ka ezi ka ha si gbaghazie kwanụ?
Ndị ọma na-adị mma. Ha na-alaghị iji m wee so ngọ.
Okay, ewere ga-edewe n'ihu. Ewere ga-edewe n'ihu. Ị na-aga. Ka ezi ka moto unu si agakwanụ?
Mmadụ ole ka bọmbụ gburu yesterday?
Yes, daa ọnụ bịara, mmadụ ole ka bọmbụ gburu? Lee anya ebe a.
Ofu onye ka mma bọmbụ gburu, ofu onye.
Ofu onye nwụrụ yes daa. Ndị ka ọzọkwanụ ka ebe ha nọ.
ama ka aka na-abụ nji wee mee mistake ịnachiwa
Okay, ime mistake ịnachighị azụ gaghị ezi ụzọ copy. So adịrọ mpa ihe ahụ onye faya ha nwudere ebe duty post ha ndị a na-eso ndị a bịa ka dibịa ha ya bụ isi mmadụ ha ji emesi ike ikpeazụ ha gwuo ha na ihe niile. So bọmbụ gbara ya ezide ọ dị ka ọ gbaghara ụzọ ọ kachiwa dị up and ya ezide anyị gakwara gaa mee ka ikpeazụ saịdị ahụ anyị nọkwa na-anụ sand amọta nka ka a na-asụ mebi nọ ya maka a na-achọda ya ezide even. Glory be to God na after everything ihe niile ha ji then ụzọ ka ọ gaghịrị ụmụ ngafe ya enwu di ya gbapụta ya hịa paimoisa and even agbara ya even agbalị almost 2 gunshot ọbabeghụ so enwere paimoisa